What's up guys, the official first ever hands-on look is here. Yeah guys, you are looking at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. YouTuber Jimmy is promo obtained the real images of the handset that match the Samsung's renders. Now most of the people says this is a dummy device, but no, this is the actual and the real Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra smartphone. As we know guys, Samsung posted the renders of the copper version of the Note 20 on some of its Galaxy Note pages, showing the new handset from various angles. The triple lens camera system is clearly visible, as is the S Pen stylus and the buttons. A YouTuber Jimmy is promo obtained the real images as I said already. The following images give us a look at the black Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Notice the same camera module and the lens arrangement, the black stylus and the same button. The YouTuber posted a couple of additional photos that shows the top half of the screen which is turned on. We are looking at the Infinity O display with a hole punch camera at the top. The handset likely features an in-screen fingerprint sensor just like all the previous high-end Galaxy handsets. There's a symmetrical bezel around the screen and the edges appear to be more curved than the Galaxy S20. And a well-known leakster Ice Universe compared the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra against the Note 10 Plus. As you can see in his tweet, he says, "I shoot Note 10 Plus at the same angle. Let's compare the subtle difference between Note 20 Ultra and the Note 10 Plus." Number 1. Note 20 Ultra is more square. Number 2. Note 20 Ultra bezel is narrower. Number 3. Note 20 Ultra hole is smaller. Number 4. Note 20 Ultra seems to be more curved. The bottom of the screen isn't shown anywhere in these pictures. In a separate tweet, the leaker hinted at an unexpected design change for the Note 20 series. The S Pen stylus will be moved to the left side from its traditional placement. As you can see in his tweet, he says that Note users don't get used the S Pen location. It'll move to the other side. So will the speaker. Both now left of the charge port. The change probably has to do with the Samsung's need to maximize battery space and accommodate the extra 5G components. The Note 20 will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 processor, which means it needs a separate 4G or 5G modem as well as new 5G antennas. Finally, the YouTuber said that Samsung's phones will have One UI 2.5 running on top of the Android this August, Note 20 included, as you can see in his tweet. And yeah guys, Samsung will unveil the new phones on August 5th by online-only unpacked press conference. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.